What's going on, everybody? My name is Silent or Tyler, and welcome back to another video today on my channel. In this one, we're going to be going over a new Hytale video. This one's going to be about the Hytale Model Maker, which is a whole separate program for the game, which you can use to create your own content for the actual game itself. Now, if you guys do enjoy the video today, just be sure to drop a like and also subscribe for more Hytale content, but let's jump right in. So to start off, we're going to be going over what exactly the Model Maker is and how it came about. So the Model Maker itself is all about modeling, texturing, and animation. So that's essentially the main three ideas as to how exactly you're going to be using the Model Maker and what you're using it for. So you're going to be able to create your own characters, your own items such as swords or anything in the game. Now, the reason that they actually decided to make a Model Maker for this is because the makers of Hytale had a Model Maker they were somewhat in the works of creating for Minecraft back in like 2011, so they kind of brought that back into fruition for this game. This Model Maker is actually the toolkit that they use to create all the animations for the game, but they're actually allowing us to make our own as well. So if you guys do see on the screen here, we do have the sword modeling time lapse. So that's essentially explaining how the modeling is going to work and everything like that. It's going to give us the ability to create new in-game assets without having to learn high-end 3D software. And it's going to be a very powerful tool, but it's going to have a low barrier to entry, which means essentially that it's going to be very easy to use, but it's going to be able to do a lot. The good thing about it is you can edit things that are already in the game, so already pre-made Hytale assets, or you can actually build your own from scratch, as I was saying before. The program itself does use things called cuboids and flat planes, which allows for more sophisticated in-detail designs rather than constricting the designs to like blocks, kind of like how Minecraft does. All the Model Maker really consists of is boxes that you have to resize. So I mean, they're all going to be kind of in the box shape, but you can make them in a way that doesn't make it look all square and all blocky and everything like that. But also, if you guys do see on the screen now, we have a zombie animation, so this kind of moves on from the actual modeling into the animation works. So after creating and texturizing the model, you have to animate it, and that's essentially where the animation suite of the Model Maker does come in. So I really think this is actually an awesome thing to have. I think it allows for a lot more unique things to come about in the game. It also allows for, when server creators are creating their own servers, it allows for the servers to be unique. I think unique stuff is what Minecraft was missing, because everything was somewhat the same. I mean, you had different types of games that were out, but they were all relatively similar depending on what server you were on. I mean, they weren't really that much different. So I think Hytale allowing for all this customization is going to make things a lot more immersive for the game. Another cool thing about this is that the characters are actually modular, which allows you to easily switch up character elements and give them different objects or attachments. This is stuff like new haircuts, different gear, etc., all that good stuff. Another amazing thing about the Model Maker is that it's actually collaborative. So if you guys do see on the screen here, it's going to be two of the Model Makers for Hytale kind of making a model together. So the good thing about that is, as it says on the post, imagine Google Docs but for game asset creation. Like, someone can work on a model while the next person textures it and another starts on the animation, which I think gets things done a lot quicker, but it also allows for more close teamwork and also allows for things to be much easier. Because as a server owner myself, I do understand that when we were actually coding our server, it was much harder for me and my co-owner to be working on the same document together, because I would have to change something, that I'd have to save it back into the server, and he'd have to make sure he's getting that same file and save it on his computer to work on. So I think having this makes things much easier, and if it was any other way, it probably wouldn't work out as well. So I think it's really great that they're allowing this. As one of the Hytale creators actually explains, when you've got some questions or you want to check something out with a different artist, you can just tell them to load up a model and they can preview your work or even change it. The cool thing about that is it allows for people who are better with the Model Maker to be sharing their expertise with people who aren't as good with it yet, so you can learn from them. But overall, in general, I'd say the Model Maker is going to be a very cool, immersive program for the game to have. I think it's going to allow for a lot of really awesome things to come about, and I cannot wait to see where it goes. The Model Maker is going to be released along with Hytale as a downloadable app or usable through your web browsers, and it's going to be completely free, which is fantastic. If you guys do have any other extra thoughts about the Model Maker, or you have anything that you'd like to comment, just please be sure to drop that comment below. If you have any more suggestions for any more Hytale videos or even Minecraft videos that I should be creating, also please leave a comment about that. And on a side note, my apologies for the lack of uploads for the past 3 weeks, as I was going through a very tough sickness, but I am coming back and we're here to make more Hytale videos, and I cannot wait to be updating you guys further with what exactly is happening with the game, and I can't wait to be here along with you guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, just be sure to drop a like and also subscribe again for more Hytale content. I will see you guys all in the next one. Have a fantastic day or night. Peace out.